Welcome back to this video. Let's see how we can simply get the new launch edit Instagram app on our phone and explore the new features of explore some of the new features in the app. The very first thing you need to do, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store on your Android phone for every Android phone. So I'm going to simply click on here and click on here to go to my Play Store. On getting to your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. Then click on search apps and games. Then type in Instagram edit. And click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you download this one right here. Click on that. Just like so. As at the time of making this video, 5 million plus have successfully downloaded the app. So what are the things you can do with this Instagram edit app? So I'm going to simply click on here. So you can edit a new video from Instagram using this particular app right here. You can also keep track of ideas and inspiration using the analytics on this particular app. You can also capture high quality footages from your Instagram video. Just like what you see right here, it allows you to export video in 4K resolution and at a 60 frame rate per second. Then you can also see right there that export in 4K with no watermark. So you can also use this particular app to remove the background of anything, like what you see right here. Select text style with lots of font and animation right here. So you can see an example of different type of font style. This is just similar to CapCut editing app. Then you can also animate images with AI in this particular app. There is much more, a lot of features in this app. But the last one right here is understand your engagement from your account. So let's go back. So the next thing we want to do now is simply click on install right here. Install the app. After a successful install, next thing we want to do is to click on open right here. Then immediately you click on open, it's going to find your Instagram account. Simply hit on continue with Instagram. How edit works. Powered by Instagram. Then you can read your data information right here. And creating with AI by using AI features on edit, you agree to Meta AI tabs and your interaction may be used to improve AI Meta. So simply click on join edit right here. Then click on allow and you are here. It's that simple. So let us explore some of the new features right here. If you click on this plus sign right here, this will allow you to import widgets. Then allow limited access, allow all access. So I'm going to click on allow all access. You can import video or images as the case may be. I'm going to import this video right there and click on here. So just like so, you can start editing your video. You can cut some part of the video. Then there are a lot of features right here, such as split video, volume booster. If I click on volume booster, you can see this allows you to adjust the volume of the video. Then you can also speed up your video with these items right there, with these tools right here. You can also click on adjust here right here, which allow you to work with the brightness of the video, contrast of the video, saturation, temperature, fading. You can scroll down right here, bitmap, highlight. Everything depends on how you want to achieve the view. You can use this sharpen right here to increase the sharpness of the video. Then hit on enter once you're satisfied. Then you can also apply some filters. All these are free tools that allow you to edit your Instagram video more quality. So I'm going to text on this particular filter right here. Then you can also scroll down right here and see more different types of filters that you can simply add to your video. Once you select any of the filter right here, you can send and it will be reflected in your video, just like what you see right here. Then you can swipe this way and check on some of the effects tab right here. And you see so many effects that you can add. You can also extract audio from the video. You can mirror the video. Everything depends on what the file you want to do. Once you are done with everything you want to edit with the app, simply hit on export right here. It's that simple. So this is one of the great apps that just released by Instagram, which allow you to edit your Instagram video, picture, or what have you. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial about this particular app right here, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.